Hi guys, welcome to this unboxing video. Today I've got a 2 TB Seagate portable hard drive from Amazon. I mainly bought this because my Mac is forever out of space and I'm going to then use this. I did buy a Transcend external disk which kind of goes into the SD slot, but that keeps on disconnecting whenever whenever my Mac is asleep or whenever I lock my computer. So I've hopefully bought this to ensure that won't happen anymore. Sticking up the package now, you get this inside, and with that you get this external hard drive block. It's pretty neat size. It's about that big, and then you get, so if I put it next to an Apple mouse, you can see that's about the size. It comes with a cable, which is I think a USB 3 cable, so quick transfer with that one. And inside here we have some of the papers that go with it, so the external storage, kind of a information sheet along with some other paper, and then some includes some kind of Seagate rescue recovery brand stuff. Don't think I've used that. I'm actually using this mainly for moving over some data from my old Mac to my new Mac, which is the M1, and gonna move all that data from this kind of memory card over here into the Seagate hard drive. Yeah, I'll let you know how it goes, but so far so good. That is my hard drive. So 2 TB of space, no more warning messages of no space, etc. on this. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.